Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. In this video, we're going to show you how to take off and put back on the inside door handle, rear inside door handle on this Lincoln Town Car. This car is a 2000. Should be the same for any 98 to 02. Tools you'll need are a flat blade screwdriver, a T20 Torx driver, and a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, use a regular screwdriver, pry up on the front of this panel here, and that should come up and forward. Mine's been broken, so, and then underneath there is a little tab that you press to disconnect. Now you need a T20 Torx bit, and there are screws up underneath here. And the screws in this were T20, although your car could vary. It could have Phillips head screws in it. Okay, and this pulls out. And then there are Phillips head screws in behind here. And a Phillips head screw in behind here. Okay, and then right in here, you'll see a little slot in the door panel carpet, and there should be a Phillips head screw right in there. Might be easy just to remove your lock knob. Use just a household putty knife. Put it in behind here. Go until I can't go. Okay, and pop that. Oh, out comes a frog. That's interesting. Must have been some passenger's toy. Okay. Do the same thing right here in the front. Okay. There are some more clips in the middle. Panel comes off, and there is a little harness here that you just pry up, disconnect, and then there's your panel off. You can see here this car's already had some work done to it, so somebody's already cut the water shield down, which is fine. And you want to pull that down, and you can see here your door handle has one Phillips screw on it. Remove that screw. Push the handle backwards and out. Okay. And then on the back, you just want to kind of move it back and forth and twist it off of the rod in the back here. Okay, so you can see this rod, that's what it mounts to. There's the little bushing. Okay, reinstallation. Pretty much the opposite. The handle's fine on this vehicle, so I'm not going to replace it. So, put it back on. Twist it into place. Put the handle on, slide it forward. Reinstall my screw. Peel back up into place. Little extra tape. sure it stays in the right spot. Now on the door panel, you have to get these tabs through the plastic here, and then these longer pins are locating pins. Okay, so feed our harness up through, connect our courtesy light. Okay. Make sure that harness is up and through. Our tabs go through. Make sure our lock rod comes up through. There. To guide a few of our pins in. One of them fell out here. Just kind of pulling the panel back, making sure the pins are going into the holes. Okay. Bottom screw in first, nice and long. These screws up here. Okay, so you can see the screws only go in a certain way, and you obviously want them going from the bottom, so you want to make sure you have it the correct way. Okay. Feed it in. Okay, I'm going to speed it up here a little bit. And I do kind of struggle with this. You do basically have to push in on the strap and then get the screw up in there and get it to hold correctly. Just takes a couple tries, a little trial and error. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.